Alright guys, today the FRS is getting new headlights. We got the Vland headlights. We're about to go to my friend's house to go check them out. We should be installing them today. These headlights are not in bad shape whatsoever. Very surprised that they're still clear and not have that yellow haze to them. Maybe getting some at the top, but for the most part they're in very good condition. I just don't like how they look, and the Vlands will, you know, has the nice daytime running lights, which I'll show you guys later. But for the most part, like these, you know, have the halogen bulbs in them, so they're not bright at all at night. Could just be because the bulbs I have in here suck. But we're gonna be switching to white LEDs in the new ones, which is gonna just look way better to go with the switchbacks, which I haven't shown you all that either, but I have switchbacks down there now. So someone just tie the whole thing together. And the housing on the new headlights are gonna be black, which is gonna be shmoney. Y'all haven't seen this yet. Here's my rear view camera. We're backing up and it constantly shows this image the whole time. And right now it's recording. It also records the front. So, you know, it's dash cam. It's very nice just to have in case, you know, wreck. It also records my car when it's in park and turned off, so if it senses like something hit my car, it starts recording, which is very nice. But yeah, and you can see I'm looking kind of straight back, but I can look down and I can also look up. So pretty nice, pretty nice. About to go get some gas because your boy is on E. Alright, $35. I know a lot of y'all be like, that's not a lot. That's a lot for only 11 gallons. My car doesn't hold much gas. If I was to get 87, it would have been like $25, $28. So, shut up. See that full tank? Yeah. Alright guys, we got the car over at Stone's house. We're about to take the front bumper off and get to the stock headlights. Should be fairly easy. It's pretty easy. The only thing a little tricky may be just the wiring of the new headlights, but I think we got it. But these headlights, like I said, are still pretty good condition. They're just ugly. Alright guys, we got the front bumper off. And we got the headlights off. Here are the Vlands. Over here, we got the nice daytime running lights. Got the turn signals. We're just waiting to get the bulbs for them. Waiting back for my bulb dealer. Hook us up with some nice bulbs, and we'll put this bad boy back together. Did a little bit of cleaning on some stuff. Super dirty, but we're getting there. All right guys, it just got done raining. Dog nuggets. But while it was raining, we picked up the bulbs. Dang, we only got one. Dang, what the heck? Man, some bit. Other one's already in the light. These are... this camera is such a piece of shit. Okay, I don't know if that even helps y'all, but whatever.
Your hand's shaking.
I know. It says 10,000 lumens, which means it's brighter than the damn sun, but that's cap. We got the bulbs from new sponsor. I'm just kidding. Mid-South LED. He's local to us in Memphis, Tennessee. He hooked us up. See how these things do. Dang, this camera ain't gonna focus. I'm sorry, guys. Drift car now. Alright guys, we got the headlight installed. It's looking beautiful. We already turn it on, make sure it works. I'm not gonna show y'all until we get both installed, but you can take my word for it. It looks good. And it works.
Surprisingly.
But big difference from this to that. Ooh, give me some feet.
Look at them toes.
That's all I was thinking about right now. Like, got my bearing flip or something. Flap opening up. I'm assuming I got separators.
Yep. That works. Yep, that works. It's weird to get them right on the first try, huh?
Huh?
You said it's weird to get them right on the first try, huh?
Like some people. They are in.
That's high.
I'll have to get some better shots of it later, but right now the vlog camera will do. She's beautiful, she's running. Lights are working, bumpers back on. Let's go. We're gonna go drive, make sure we don't gotta adjust the headlights, which we think we're gonna have to, but that'll be a different day, a different story.